Hello and welcome to Microsoft Customer Success Days. I'm here to kick off our adoption track. My name is Monica Flaherty and I lead our customer success marketing team here at Microsoft. My team is interested and in charge of driving post-sales customer success, making sure customers like you get the most value out of your purchase of Microsoft Dynamics 365 and Power Platform. Today, we're going to talk about two things. One, why is adoption important? Why does it matter? And two, what sessions are we going to be hosting today during Microsoft Customer Success Day Adoption Track? Well, first, why does adoption matter? The goal that our customers have when they invest in business applications like Dynamics 365 and Power Platform is to increase either your top line revenue or decrease your bottom line expenses, or in many cases, both. So you have a clear vision of what you want to do with the software. You've made the commitment to buy the licenses, and you're aware of the expenses that you're going to go through implementation and the investment and time of your people. But if ultimately your teams don't automate the right processes and they don't end up using those technology solutions, or if your teams don't change the way they work to get more efficient and effective, you will not achieve the promise of the business outcomes that drove you to these software solutions in the first place. Adoption is the glue that connects your vision to business outcomes. And I'm excited about this slate we have set up today to help us navigate the journey from purchase to implementation to ultimately to business value. Today we have 5 great sessions starting this morning at 10 a.m. with myth-busting change management led by Steve Green, who is our Director of Business Programs. Steve is going to break down the top 5 myths around change management with us today. We'll learn why every project is dependent upon people adopting and embracing and using the solution. So they need to use change management. Now, a lot of people talk about change management as simply communications and training. And while it is that, Steve will take us through other elements that are critical to change management, which include stakeholder engagement, empowering your leaders and programs, communications and training, as well as recognition, resistance management, and more. At 11 o'clock, we will have a customer panel, which will discuss how customers, real-world customers, are succeeding with Microsoft business applications. Janet Robb, a senior CSM, will lead us through this all-star panel discussion where customers are discussing how they're driving adoption and achieving real-world business value. Customers will share stories around how they're moving from ungoverned usage to simplified interfaces and empowering their users to get the most out of the solutions with better user experiences. We'll also talk to a customer who's going to share how they've set up Power Platform Center of Excellences and how they're empowering their citizen developers to get to solutions quickly. And then finally, we'll hear from a customer that is driving adoption through formal programs to ensure business value obtainment. At 1 p.m., we'll start our afternoon with the session, Get Low Friction Go Lives and Optimize Your Investments with Telemetry Data. Kenny Pontoppidan, Principal Program Manager, will help us understand what is telemetry and why we should care about it. It will be a deep dive and demo into using Power BI while building and testing your BizOps solutions. With the telemetry data tracking enabled, you'll be able to see what pages, features, reports your users are actually accessing while they test and use your solution, and it will help you refine your solutions to amplify the things that are most useful to your user community. At 2 o'clock, we'll start our session, Create Your Own Adoption Plan to Accelerate Success. This is being led by Emily Stickland and Sophia Kim, both of whom are senior customer success managers here at Microsoft. And by the end of their session, you'll be able to build and deploy your own actionable adoption plan. Emily and Sophia will walk us through the journey to implementing an adoption plan. And at the end of their sessions, they will share access to both of these tools so that you can download them yourself and use them in your own implementations. Now, finally, we'll have a panel led by Rick McCutcheon, who's an MVP as well as the leader of Partner Talks. And it will be strategies on how to evaluate and select the right partner for your implementation. He and the panel will explore questions like, how do we find the right partner that fits within your organization? What is the role of the Microsoft Cloud throughout the cloud partner throughout your journey? And how our ISV partners can help amplify your solutions and get you to value more quickly. So I'm super excited about this panel, and I would love for you to join us for the rest of the day, visit with all of these sessions or some of these sessions, and best wishes to you and your organization on your journey to adoption. Thank you.